No, the thing what happened be say the money I be they rush because you know my children they prepare.
Okay.
So some of the
they prepare.
junior WAEC.
Which WAEC we did in the right by this time?
They prepare. Junior WAEC na food.
Then they prepare junior WAEC we did in the right by this time.
You they join them now and I explain to you.
Explain me wetin. You tell me this
lie. No.
Officially.
Show me your friends.
From Monkey Pod link for me now. I mean, you the
You are not my problem in this bar.
Why? Why you cannot be problem?
Is less a problem to me than you. You know why you be my problem? Number one, you dey wear glass we don't break. Number two, you dey wear soppy. Number three, the person go sick, you know go fit call am. Tell am say, then here say you nearly die yo. This or that one no. I know your plan. It won't work.
Where your bow tie? Where you be like this thing?
I know.
It be like manicure. Manicured.
We are waiting. See why Danjuma talk.
Fine monkey, no put drink.
I know they talk to you. Hey, Poka. You hear waiting till why that guy you feel cut for give him. How you can't swell like bread with for water now? Now me do you.
T.Y.
Danjuma. Na. Well, in the full name na Theophilus Yakubu Danjuma.
What do you mean Theophilus?
The full name
na retired. Theophilus Yakubu Danjuma.
This is your tongue go put it for problem.
Him become from Taraba. Him don't be chief of armed staff for this Nigeria. You understand?
No, for Ghana. Him be chief of navy staff for Ghana.
For 1975, Waka go reach 1979. You understand? Him don't do boko thing. The man a politician, a philanthropist. Him kukuma get all you well. Him get plenty. Now the problem with me I get because if you see major people when they call elder statesman as them call them. The matter when him talk, you understand? Not true him talk. But how many people they come out like that talk? Apart from Obasanjo, Gowon. And if you look all these people now with our president, you know all of them. Now the same ship now carry them. You understand? So for Danjuma, we come out talk say, make ordinary people like Una begin to defend Una self. And him get reason why he say talk am. Which reason? Ask me.
Which reason?
Okay. You know, say, these Fulani headsmen, where be then they waka carry cattle, fight with all their farmers now. Boko Haram, where they attack, it don't look, say, okay, mostly, it be like, say, all this attack against Christian communities for Nigeria. In the get states where he mentioned and everything. So he say, make una begin to defend on ourselves. Make una know they depend on top military because even like the military leave people where they support.
You don't say anything Christian. Because you know when T.Y. come outside.
I know what argue.
No be argue. He say soldier people. Then they do it. They do a form of a concert. Now collaboration with the Fulani people. Now one people, then the one kill. You get one people. They say they
now one people, them one kill.
They say one people. You get one people, one language people. Where the one cleaner, the one clean them.
You want to try talk be this ethnic cleansing?
No be religion, no be church, no be Christian. You understand?
He say, but he mentioned that one. It can't be like he can't talk. Say the thing can't be like say the whole attack now on top the Christian communities.
But you know what?
Because if you look at where if you touch lighter, me I not talk say I want support her for waiting in talk. But if you look waiting this old man they talk, it won't be like saying that true. Because check
wait, and I need to understand what you did because all this thing where you did.
Number one,
John, you are okay.
You know say they ask a question. They ask a question
because you just go left. You don't go left. You don't go. You know them. You know
they say waiting T.Y. Danjuma talk. You come. They tell me who be T.Y. Danjuma.
I don't know
where he come from.
Ebuka.
Imbe.
Talk to me.
I won't talk to you.
But I history teacher for. If I'm not giving you the historical background.
You are Danjuma.
I'm saying why Danjuma?
Historical. T.Y. Danjuma come outside by Akimbo for Taraba State for a university this ceremony. They want the ceremony we do for one university for Talaba. For Talaba. In come outside, can't do anything, can't hold microphone with mola.
No, yeah, me info.
Can't say that now. Can't say that now. The thing what they do, make them carry guns. The government and the soldier people know waiting, then they do it, then they do. Meaning that make you and everybody where they got Talaba go find Aka Turkey or Upper Turkey.
That is by
Clean them, hold them. Because anything will happen.
now fire share way in and they go be this
Fire
one.
just support them. I still talk of fire just support them. Because you know this thing, when you look this thing, T.Y. Danjuma know they talk anyhow. I never hear them come outside, they talk
You know,
something.
I never hear that.
No, you need to talk. Make a mention the places where you
Mention
talk. Okay, the
talk.
time where in friend, President Obasanjo won't go that thought and when they push for that thought, he in come out.
That time. We don't reach 10
Not
years.
only that time.
You don't reach
talk for that
You don't reach 10 years.
Matter, where Jonathan, you know, because people talk say in sponsor waiting to call
I don't say
Buhari
Buhari talk.
campaign.
That one,
And in
that
talk say
that he support Buhari
See,
campaign.
Kakaro.
Why be say that man? I will keep one question one. Why be say that man? Anybody wey in support enter power, na himself go flog am.
Now
Now the work wey they do,
If
they
you
need to
support
position
person,
you. You
if you
support
support
person, you kill her now.
if you support person, now you support them to enter there. You go ask some question. If the person
ask am now.
if he done the cross fence, you go tell them say, Enya, come back. Because you know, so when he talk that thing, I don't look and say, this man, number one, this man know they talk anyhow. Number two, this thing when he talk, then say soldier people know this thing. Even the people from the Talaba people, then they say soldier people know. So soldier people they attack them, they kill them. The collaboration with the Fulani people.
Fulani people.
Now that's why they talk. Now keep where they talk. But if you look this thing, that Fulani people, they no feel arrest them. They no feel because the matter now it can't be like say now what if as far as you talk that thing for Ekiti, you don't hear say anybody do anything for Ekiti.
Fem, I know here.
Now fire don't support them. Afenifle don't support them. Afenifle. Yoruba now the Yoruba this thing. Yoruba association.
Afenifere.
Okay. Those people now they support them. IPOP don't come outside support them. Everybody support them. Senator Jay Usani support them because they look and say this thing when this man talk sense them.
Sense them, I no go lie you.
Sense
but
them.
what did he talk concerning the Dapchi girls? You know that Dapchi matter. Maybe don't decide say that movie. Sorry, that thing where happen.
Wait.
I don't know why they call that thing movie.
Now, Baba, this thing has script. They are working towards a script.
You like them.
Federal government wrote a script. They shot. I never see where they take
this thing now.
They clean. I never see when they take top. They clean glass.
If they pay salary, I go arrange another one.
They talk.
I never see where them go talk say then kidnap girls. Federal government can't talk say then they talk by Akimbo with the people who kidnap the girls. By Akimbo they can't release the girls. My question now, the people where they talk to all these terrorists them, they don't know these terrorists. When they foresee them, give them the money.
Fine Monkey, you know say that thing. If we start to talk this matter for this bar today, we not go finish am.
And Fine Monkey no get maths for bar.
And you don't get mad, we go take sleep.
No.
But you know say this thing now. You know why this thing they pay me for body? They pay me for body because you can't do like say our soldier and a Boy Scout.
Boys Brigade. Scout still
talk
tough.
against guide.
Because I know say my soldier they garant. Them they able and capable. In fact, them they very agile. And created and can tank us. Nigerians.
I never talk until you want talk, but you.
No, I reverse because I know say Nigerians so they very agile.
Then just go Gambia now for
Now,
peacekeeping mission.
I don't want to know, but what thing they talk, you say, what thing they talk, they come they do soldier come be like say Nigeria's guide, like what you call them. Because you want tell me say now, una know people, una go meet them, una talk, say, we go give una something.
They not talk say they give them something. They not talk say they agree.
Leave this thing.
No, Fine Monkey understand something.
They don't talk say
Lai Muhammad.
anybody go gree. What you call her? What you call her?
Waiting.
Oh.
What do you call her?
No.
Talk another thing.
You know.
Okay,
Talk another thing.
You know.
Talk another
He be part of the executive. And I believe
I say the pity for
Talk another thing. Talk another thing.
him be dey represent president and he come and talk say they no pay any shame back.
Now wetin in
Give
talk?
it
Who
this
go
terrorist
ask?
group.
Wait,
This said the
the
negotiation.
terrorists. Wetin be the negotiation when they say they negotiate with the terrorists? When they release guests.
Make them just
You
release am.
see, Fine Monkey, as you know, say you job is say you know do it. Maybe the economics where you do now for secondary school.
If
know
you want insult me, start with you dey craze. Don't they call the toss and know they educated.
Kaka,
I know wetin I dey talk o.
I want to ask you one question. I want to ask you one question. The question wey I want ask you.
Question.
What I want ask you now. They say people hold the Bauchi girls. Dapchi girls. Abi? When I go meet them, come tell them say, make una give us the girls. We go give. I don't know what's in there because if they say that they do what in the negotiation now. If you go buy crayfish now, say Fine Monkey this cup, or if you want to go buy drink from this bag, say Fine Monkey, give me this drink, fill this cup for me. I go give you 20 naira. Fine Monkey go say to Fiakwa, you go give me 500. I'll say okay, Fine Monkey, make I give you 100. Maybe be negotiation.
That's not trade.
What in?
This one.
You say na trade.
You waka enter my land.
Okay,
come carry my small guest.
Wetin they say they give them now for the guests now? Wetin they do them?
Don't give. The thing be say na negotiation.
Okay, the people just give now.
Explain. Based on international system, history and international system.
Okay.
See as negotiation take dey happen.
Okay.
You understand?
No, I don't understand.
You guys tell me, okay, now wetin I want on top this matter, make I give you wetin you want. You understand? Then if wetin you want. I did here. Why I go tell you answer wetin go around? I dey try use generalization on top conflict and conflict management. You understand? If terrorist group come out, then we know calm down. No. This terrorism no be
the terrorism management and the complete international system.
And not be my fault. Say all your brain they revolve around the Alaba international market. My own brain they revolve around international foreign policy.
Okay.
See,
make I tell you the policy where they.
Before you go tell me, make I tell am. Fine Monkey. You know say this thing they scatter your brain now.
It on a back machine.
Good. See wetin happen. See wetin I feel say they happen. You know say according to Lai Mohammed, they don't they talk say then they tell this group make them come out surrender their ammunition. You understand? Make them rehabilitate them, bring them enter society, forgive them, provide job and everything. So with this one, what they do, you understand? They still include them as part of negotiation. Say okay, when I bring the girls, we go forgive you. We go dash you now forgiveness.
Make people free.
They call them
citizens.
Prerogative of mercy. Of mercy.
Make I tell you this thing. You don't say if I tell you this thing now. You don't get to Nyoko meet Tata.
I'm not been studying for 4 years, do masters, do PhD, join body. You think I don't get on your committee?
4 years of study don't get used.
Person wey dey Ladipo dey tell me I no get on your committee.
I dey Ladipo, but I get on your committee.
Fine Monkey, you dey look am.
I don't use make I do my beat am.
Wait, I don't use your committee.
Listen, Wala.
I don't look at like this. Look at like this. Look at like this. Look this thing. Look this thing.
What you see? Tell me what you see.
You know what I see? This thing, if I say that thing where they talk, say they like that drama. I don't know who like the drama. But Fine Monkey, my own, what in the pepper me for body? So they say the place where picking the car, the pont hand. If your mama now there and papa go there. Say who Charlie senator, that senator will get Afro punk. He don't come outside talk that say this thing wait you why don't you talk. He bless say sense there mo. Fire don't come outside. This thing where this man talk. He bless say sense there mo. And then the Igbo. After the
Dapchi.
Now.
What did I talk for Dapchi?
Say the releasing of the this thing. Say you get
yes, now you get it by Akimbo. It don't make sense.
Now you know Fine Monkey. You know what they talk.
You know say when you understand say Boko Haram different from Boko Haram.
This
one wey kidnap Dapchi girl different from the one wey kidnap Chibok girl.
Which one you know? Which one be the different?
Which one you know?
Only classroom teacher I be o. Which one be?
You know the ones where kidnap Dapchi.
Now see.
Okay, which one are they related to? More know the one where because when they talk as you say you know them like they're your guys.
No, when they study their entry behavior.
If they know where they dey, if they know their place,
and the circumstance wey surround the situation, and he make me see.
If the I know what I want to talk before I come on man for this matter. If una know where them dey, una go follow them talk. Why una no go carry soldier people knack them akpaku?
Why they won't carry them when I see 30,000 fake names for police registry. Then, you never heard the news. They see 30,000 fake names spotted in the Nigerian police force. So if they
maybe 30, maybe 300,
30,000. How many police we get?
You don't finish now.
No, if they don't say Nigeria gets 1,000,
who they collect their salary?
The total
salary they talk. You go say who go the mission when they send those imaginary 30,000. You go show that up tonight. If you say they go talk say, we are sending 10,000 police.
20,000 policemen.
So that maybe eventually, maybe not only 10 go be original police.
And not 20,000 policemen where they go send that place. If they send that to 30,000 policemen, then go that place, then go pay them money, then go pay money
for... They go collabate the money for the 20,000.
You know what I want?
If you ask me, who me was?
Fine monkey. May we look at more.
30,000.
Then come and tell us, say, the number of policemen where say na the battle where they run the fight, where Ibrahim Idris, the IGP of Nigeria, when he talks, say, okay, Nigeria get 370,000 policemen.
Minus 30,000.
No, apart from that, they can't talk say, they can't talk say about 150,000. They follow all the celebrities. They follow all the Ogbonge people. Cream de la cream. You understand? Now, if they minus all this number, the remaining number will remain. Inside that same number, they don't even pity us. 30,000 again. Hey, na fake.
Na fake. But that's in big. That's
now,
you know,
see where wahala start. They say Muhammadu Buhari because now una abuse and when he go Ghana, go to say one help fight corruption. Una come down later.
If you want to talk anything, talk. No, don't bring Buhari and corruption into this issue, please.
Now him administration. Calm down. My explain. My explain.
Explain what in the explain quick.
The administration of Muhammadu Buhari talk say okay. Not be only police, he said all government workers. Say they want create something where they call IPPS.
That is waiting.
Integrated payroll.
Okay.
Integrated personnel payroll system. He said that's now the platform where they go take the payment because some police they complain say our salary if na 60,000 so they go give us 45,000. They cut our money. So as they complain, I think because say okay, make we bring out this platform IPPS. You understand? Make it be say the accountant general go they forward that for in pockets. They give una one by one. So that when they come enroll every police put inside their computer.
Fake ones.
Wait, Kaka, you know the thing where they talk. You know, this is the way they talk naturally good. But what did they talk? You see Nigeria police. You know what they go do Nigeria police? May they call all of them. Call all of them. All from the number one man to the number last man. All of them wanna come outside. You don't try. Take your money. Go less. You don't try. Take your money. And they take. Let me talk them.
So what will happen to our security?
You know what security? You know what will happen to your security?
Security.
What will happen to your security? Nothing will happen to your security. Your security, nothing will happen to your security. Then go call this your boy be that way you carry they do for school, say they form teacher. Then go bring young boys. We get up will be like you now. We don't go school. We get sense.
Go shop when they wear glass.
With my intellectualism,
now you go carry. Farm monkey. What in they call police? Destruction.
Recruitment.
Police destruction. They go destruction the police. Make them come out all day because now that destruction the way they know destruction in them. Now make and you go see some people they go come outside. What police will come outside for stand for load, collect 20 naira. All this nonsense. What them they do?
This is the way you talk so.
Spiritual police.
Sense they inside.
Spiritual.
But meanwhile, you are senseless. Yes. You know why I talk so?
I'm getting the worry.
Don't be senseless so they wait till you they talk, but at the same time you don't get sense. Why you talk say wait, by the time when they come out, all the people will make sense for police. Who they want carry these young boys give?
Now they talk. Now nothing wait you and Juma talk. Everybody go there by Akimbo.
By Akimbo, the young guy.
Everybody go be police by Akimbo.
You know if they give you police or got today, you go do you go do things.
Ebuka think say na masquerade festival na in the
day. You say police na to set spare part.
Oh no. Farmer give me police work. Make I start the counter. Number one.
What you want to do?
Number one. Find monkey.
What you want to do?
The thing I want to do plenty. Number one.
What you go do?
Find monkey. if I go for road, if I see any police for road, him go do frog jump from here reach Cameroon.
Huh?
Number 2, any police will say 20 naira, give me 20 naira. That 20 naira, then go be installed for 2 months.
Ebuka.
5 monkey,
You
5 monkey,
don't know the verse.
5 monkey,
Man,
5 monkey.
I tell you this gist, bring it down. You know Soli Baba? Soli Baba Deya.
When they sing,
And I went marry this old woman. Sorry.
No be old woman.
Nah,
No.
me say
They
that
married when she did 36 years. You know too much now.
Soli,
How old in day?
Soli dey 22,
Then in dey
24 years,
24.
I be 25
Person
years.
take 12 years, you know you marry him. When the woman become 90, how old in go be?
See, you don't know.
How old in go be? You know no mass.
Now,
If the boy
you
don
dey
reach 90,
consider.
Me,
in dey 25,
Eh.
the woman dey 30,
30.
No, in day 24, the woman
dey
dey
36.
36.
now 12 years, they see no.
12 years. If you don reach 90,
Eh.
now 25 plus, now
Now
90,
just 12 years now.
90 plus 12,
That's
Yes,
100.
you know
One
far.
2 years.
But by that one, no. Meanwhile, they say don't go open church for South Africa.
Who give a license?
Shifts going first.
No be ordinary, no be ordinary, some monkey no be ordinary church o.
Nobody church.
Now this church wey dey do fire, dey kabas, dey do miracle, people wey dey do anointing. Na
Holy Spirit tell you Soli Baba.
na prophet, you know, prophet. I don't even know say him name, man. Prophet. His name na Emmanuel Afoka. I don't forget that name.
Okose. Okose.
He get the way the name take dey. Ifechukwu Okose. Emmanuel Ifechukwu. They say
Spiritual church. Prophetic church.
to God.
Wetin carry am enter there? Na yan wan.
I know this question when
They
they
say
say
na-
they ask person. I don't know who na one make
They
we
say
dey
na
ask.
God call am now.
Hey.
No be God call am now.
If you be saying flash God,
You wey dey this thing dey do this thing now for this bike. Think say you don see your destiny. Tomorrow now,
Hey.
if you go, your destiny now fit dey one church.
no, wait first.
Your destiny dey
Wait,
church. You some monkey.
Something the person.
You go be pastor.
Make God no go reason this thing.
You go be
wait
pastor.
first.
You go be pastor.
Now you go tell this thing and God go say that is true.
You know one be.
No, what kind talk with that? Whether I want
Abeg
to
put drink for me now. Put drink now. You dey.
I don't want to be pastor.
You go be pastor.
I don't want to be pastor.
Because this your.
But wetin I dey talk be say, I no know, I no understand. So he wan open church. Then say make we dey grow our economy because church now God dey use am enrich
Na
society.
it's economic,
You understand?
na business.
They come carry such, you know, bogus
Economic business.
empowerment,
viability.
carry am go South Africa. South Africa with their xenophobia.
Na that place
Wait,
God
make
call
I
am.
ask you
Maybe na
question.
that place God call am.
Wetin dey wrong say person carry church go South Africa?
The money wey dem
The
dey.
same thing wey dey wrong when person dey carry big brother
your
Naija
offering.
go.
And your offering
wait.
dem go pay for the church.
But you know say church no dey pay time.
No dey pay tax now.
So even if you dey Jamaica, e no
Apart from that, church dey help youth.
for Nigeria.
Church
Church
dey
dey help
donate.
They donate. You know how much they donate give the church?
No be the one wey you put inside na him dey go.
Nah, they tell you now. So
But-
now wetin South African people go put in go give back.
But you know one thing, God fit use anybody now. I don tell you say you now your
Oh,
destiny
you
dey.
see, you fit leave me and God matter first.
Majid Michael, na so God take use am. God
Even
don
you
use
carry,
am.
I no know,
You
because
carry, I no
God
know.
use am.
Everybody.
You get
Even Ebuka now, because very soon now by Kimbo now.
No, if
You go
God,
first
if
start-
God
you first
call
start
you,
from where you sell
I dey
spare
preach-
parts.
if God call you, me go call God. I will say God no.
I dey preach for
You go
life.
protest.
I will protest now. Say God no, you can't call him. Call him for what?
But I dey
Cut that
preach.
call,
I dey
cut that
preach.
call.
I dey preach for line.
And if you preach
I
on
dey
that
pray
now,
for line.
birds of a feather.
I dey do. I dey
Na
I dey
line,
fast and
line,
play
birds of a
line.
for
feather.
line. I dey fast and play for line.
Now birds of a feather.
I dey do anointing for line. If dem dey do prayer na every Thursday, if I come outside, if
know
I dey
Anthony
kabash.
Anthony
If I dey-
Joshua, Anthony Oluwafemi Joshua wey be come from
na
Nigeria.
lobby I dey talk.
No, they talk, they go. They know they talk.
Na rubbish I dey talk.
I'm not saying they talk.
They talk your own
Anthony
now.
Joshua wey dey talk this thing now, you know say I get him number. Not Anthony Joshua man. Anthony
You're
Joshua.
a comedian.
You don't know say I get him number.
Wait, which Anthony Joshua? No, the one where they sell shoelace for
Anthony Joshua wey dey fight boxing.
Shoe sole.
shoelace.
Anthony.
Wey dey sell.
Maybe the shoe. The race.
Only shoelace. Only Brazil and shoelace they sell. No, but that one I dey talk. Oh. I mean Anthony Joshua where they fight boxing.
The only one Anthony Joshua na him dey now.
Our pikin.
Na him be wetin dey do now. If you don dey do well now, na our
The one
pikin.
they pay me for that Barcelona Real Madrid go there. Ọmọ mi Messi. Ọlọ́run máa gbọ́. Ọmọ máa fún Messi blow lójú Messi on gba rubbish. You fit see Messi tell am that thing.
You go fit near am. You go na only TV you go see am.
You go fit see Anthony Joshua as he be like baby King Kong so you go fit tell am say our pikin.
But you know that thing with Anthony Joshua. They say now the man Joseph Parker.
Joseph Parker now.
Parker.
Parker.
No, Parker Lee.
Parker.
One
Joseph
Parker,
Parker.
Anthony. Let's say they want.
One be like Uche Parker.
No.
I be
That-
browse.
Imagine saying now just Anthony Joshua and Uche Parker dey for link.
No, what? No, you
Which kind of suicide mission be
sign
that
death warrant. I don't know death warrant.
No, Uche Parker go use mount the fight am.
You know say committing
That
suicide
one,
na
they go
crime.
finish
They go
that
arrest Uche. But for entering ring with them, they go arrest Uche.
But
want
you
commit
know
suicide.
the thing, you know that thing when they say that Anthony Joshua gets a record.
Record.
He gets a good record. Well, anybody now when that's Parker, just Joseph Parker Lane when they talk this thing now. If you catch a man, he go knock him down. I got call everything kakopam. He go knock him.
I hear say na 49 kilogram be one of him punch.
One blow. That na one blow, 7 die now.
49 kilogram now. One bag of cement na 50 kg.
That is by not 1 kg now.
So then go carry one bag of cement stone you pump.
Hey, na die be that one
See,
no.
I go die, wake up, die again, wake up,
Carry
die
one
again.
bag of cement knock you like this. Knock you for belly, knock you for head.
May I give now
That's
one,
more
may
bad.
I give now one aproko wey happen. Na I say you get one guy wey go beer parlor. Na I make me the advice any person wey wan drink make you use brain. He drink finish carry insecticide wey dem put for one corner.
Madam guy, I don't hear them. Let me be that one they tell
for
you.
you.
Maybe
Wetin dey worry you now?
come on, leave me alone.
Na you never die.
this
No, no be beer parlor we
We know
do.
they do nonsense for
I
this
no
bar.
dey beer parlor.
Na
I am
bambuba.
not this
Na
is I'm
bambuba.
not in a beer parlor. What's the problem?
Bamboo bar.
Are you seeing beer anywhere?
No, now when you dey talk bar now.
I say
you
person
dey-
carry insecticide die.
They no say bamboo bar, they say for bar.
Oh,
For
okay,
bar.
continue.
In fact, that bar where they talk this thing, na Chinese, this thing. For one place where they flex like Chinese, they say the boy now, they say the boy don't first, he don't touch one or two.
You don't touch.
In don't day, I don't day see
Okay,
one
you don't
kind.
lift up.
So, but you know what thing they pay me for this thing? What thing make them go carry insecticide
Put
chest
near
turtles?
where they said
They go carry turtles put for table.
I don't think say na shelters because you know if you spray the shelters so much.
I know
Those
that-
one wey dey inside.
Wait, I'm tap
Wait,
pepper.
I know that if dem facing eye, you know they know.
He carry am, he open am, he pour am, he drink am.
Which kind highness? If you be say na codeine the boy dey drink ooo.
Go see say na
And you know say codeine bottle.
But for monkey, no be, you know what? You know person why they do this thing because you know person where they where the person why they look now the people where they sell the drink.
People wey dey sell the drink.
You now find monkey
If it be say dem just pull insecticide, you know.
put insecticide for table to take do wetin.
You know say if you dey work
table.
sometimes work go too much. Even as work dey too
Work
much
go
for
too
5
much.
months.
Which
You no dey come out sometimes.
which
From
work
work.
table?
Too much. Hello.
For table where they take the chop drink for table you go come carry insecticide come put for table.
Both customer and wetin dey call am.
Ahmed don come o.
Make okay he don dey come.
He don come. No say he don dey come. Make I go bring am come.
Make it go bring am come. For table
I
wey
dey come, brother, come.
table wey customer dey dem dey chop dem dey drink.
See,
you come
the
put
mistake-
Whether na customer, abi no be customer. Even if say na
okay,
dem.
this thing wey dey do now, you no get public relation, you no get